Hi, I'm Mr. Lamson. I teach the Legal Studies program here at Southwest Tech. Sometimes the course is known as Pre-Law, sometimes Know Your Rights. I also teach a forensics class here. So if you're interested in knowing what your rights as a student are, what your rights as a citizen are, if you're interested in the government or how government works, Legal Studies is a great course for you. If you want to be a lawyer, or even if you just wanted to work in a law office, or you were interested in how the law works. I'm a practicing attorney here in Vermont, and I worked as a licensed attorney for over 10 years in the industry. And so I have a passion for the law. A lot of people don't realize what a broad spectrum of jobs and employment are available in the legal studies field. Everything from a probation officer to a courtroom clerk, a lawyer, and a judge. There are lots of job opportunities right here in Bennington and the surrounding area. The Legal Studies program is designed primarily for students moving on to college, but it's also of interest for those of you that don't go on to college or secondary education. So if you share my passion for the law and criminal justice and the Constitution and legal rights in America, I encourage you to take a look at the Legal Studies program here at Southwest Tech.